Are you ready to revolutionize the way you cook? Introducing the Nuwave Flex Induction Cooktop, a culinary powerhouse that brings innovation, convenience, and precision to your kitchen. With its smart stage cooking capabilities and intuitive controls, this portable 1,300-watt cooktop is a game-changer that will elevate your cooking experience to new heights. If you're interested in learning more about the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, please click on the link in the description below. Unleash your culinary creativity. The Nuwave Flex is more than just a cooktop. It's your personal culinary companion. With smart stage cooking capabilities, you can program your favorite cooking procedures with ease. Whether it's simmering, searing, or grilling, the Flex has got you covered. Simply program different cooking times and temperatures, press start, and let the Flex work its magic. With an impressive 100 hours of programmable memory, it's like having your own personal chef right at your fingertips. Real-time adjustments, craving a hotter temperature or need a little more cooking time. No worries. The Flex allows you to make adjustments on the fly without the need to start over. Its intuitive digital controls respond immediately to your commands, giving you complete control over your cooking process. Precision temperature control. With 45 precise temperature settings ranging from 100 degF to 500 degF in 10 degF increments, the Nuwave Flex empowers you to cook with precision. From keeping delicate sauces warm to achieving those perfect grill marks on a juicy steak, the Flex ensures your culinary creations are nothing short of perfection. Innovative design and safety, crafted with a shatterproof ceramic glass heating surface, the Flex is not only stylish, but also one of the safest cooktops on the market. Its patented insulation technology brings the induction heating coils closer to your cookware, resulting in faster and more even heating. Plus, safety is paramount. The cooktop automatically shuts off when the set cook time is completed, reducing the risk of burns and fire. Versatile and portable, whether you're in a dorm, RV, campsite, or a smaller apartment, the Nuwave Flex is your culinary companion. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to take wherever you go. With 3 wattage settings, you can cook with confidence even when power is limited. Effortless melting and more. Say goodbye to the complexities of a double boiler. With the Flex, melting chocolate is a breeze. Set the temperature to 120 degF, add chocolate, and stir without worry of burning. Even delicate sauces like hollandaise, beurre blanc, and beurre fondue are no longer daunting tasks. Induction-ready cookware. To make the most of the Nuwave Flex, ensure your cookware is induction-ready. Look for the induction symbol printed on the bottom or simply check if a magnet sticks to the cookware. If it does, you're ready to go. Join the Nuwave community. Since 1993, Nuwave has been dedicated to enhancing your quality of life with safe, affordable, and environmentally friendly products. Join the Nuwave family and experience culinary freedom like never before with the Flex Induction Cooktop. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.